Welcome back. Today my channel. The Suzuki Ertiga has long been a favorite in the compact MPV segment, and the 2025 model promises to raise the bar with its sleek design, advanced features, and improved performance. In this article, we delve into everything you need to know about the new Suzuki Ertiga 2025, making it the ultimate resource for car enthusiasts, families, and anyone considering this stylish yet practical vehicle. Modern and stylish design. The 2025 Suzuki Ertiga boasts a fresh design that balances sophistication with functionality. Its front grille now features a more prominent chrome finish, complemented by sharp LED headlamps. The redesigned bumper and sleeker fog light housing give it a modern edge. On the sides, the 16-inch alloy wheels and bold character lines enhance its sporty appeal, while the rear features revamped LED taillights and a stylish tailgate garnish. Interior, spacious and tech-focused. Inside, the new Ertiga impresses with a spacious cabin designed for maximum comfort. With seating for up to 7 passengers, it remains an ideal choice for families. Premium materials, an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, and smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensure a tech-savvy experience. The second and third row seats are foldable, offering versatile cargo options for road trips or everyday errands. Enhanced performance. The 2025 Ertiga is powered by an improved 1.5-litre petrol engine, now featuring mild hybrid technology for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. With a refined CVT transmission, it delivers smoother driving dynamics and improved performance. Suzuki also promises better suspension tuning for enhanced ride comfort and stability, making it a reliable choice for urban commutes and long journeys. Safety first. Suzuki has prioritized safety in the Ertiga 2025. The model now comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. With a reinforced body structure and 6 airbags, the vehicle offers greater peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Competitive pricing and variants. Suzuki continues to offer the Ertiga at a competitive price point, ensuring value for money. The 2025 model is available in several variants, catering to different customer needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a no-frills family car or a premium MPV, there's a version of the Ertiga for you. Final thoughts. The Suzuki Ertiga 2025 sets a new benchmark in the MPV category with its blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Its upgraded technology, eco-friendly performance, and robust safety features make it an appealing choice for modern families and car enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a versatile vehicle that doesn't compromise on quality, the 2025 Suzuki Ertiga is worth considering. Stay tuned for its official launch and detailed reviews from the automotive community. This article is perfect for a YouTube channel focused on automotive content, offering viewers an informative and engaging introduction to the 2025 Suzuki Ertiga.